Welcome investors and traders. Today we will discuss about different type of candlesticks. Just introduction. Before deep diving into different type of candlesticks in this series, let us first understand one big assumption, which we have already discussed earlier session. History repeats itself and how it is possible, whether it is correct or not. It has been observed by the market participants. History repeats. For that, let us assume that certain stock or market falling for last 4 or 5 days continuously. It is in downtrend. And after that, today, there is no big movement, no downward journey. And market or particular stock is range bound, a small movement in prices. So from tomorrow, what will happen? It is possible that the market or a stock will go in upward direction. And it has been observed most of the time. Why I'm telling most of the time, not all the time? Because there are so many forces, so many dynamics working in the stock market at any particular time. And they have their own pulls and pushes. And based on that, this will happen most of the time. So it has been seen that from there reversal is happening. Why this happening? If we will see the psychology of the participants, what we observe that for last 4 or 5 days, bears are in control or sellers are in control. That is why market is falling. Today, bulls entered the market and halted the downward journey. That is why there is very little movement in prices rainbow. And that is why it is expected more bulls will come and price will be reinforced. And from tomorrow, reversal will happen and market or particular scrape or a stock will go in upward journey. Just opposite of that, if market is uptrend continuously, and then we see some particular candlestick formation, those formation indicates that from tomorrow, market will fall down. The bulls now halted by bears, and bears will force the market or particular stock to hold down further. And based on this historical observation, there are different type of candlestick. It is categorized in different type. Some candlestick in itself having so much power that it can reverse the momentum, and those are single candlestick. So under the single candlestick pattern, we will be learning the following. First will be Maraboju. From downtrend, when this Maraboju occurs, uptrend is possible, and that is why it is known as bullish Maraboju. Just opposite of that, after uptrend, when this appears, particular bearish Maraboju, then downturn is possible. So we will discuss in detail in next session. Then spinning tops, doji, paper umbrella. Under paper umbrella, we will definitely discuss about hammer, hanging man, and some other also, inverted hammer, all this will see. Then we will see shooting star. So all this is single candlestick pattern. Then further we will move and see multiple candlestick. Under multiple candlestick, there are some patterns forming with two candlestick only. First is engulfing pattern, where first candle is engulfed by another bullish engulfing. That means first will be red and second will be green. First will be engulfed by second one, and from there upward journey is possible. That is why it is known as bullish engulfing. Just opposite of that will be bearish engulfing. Then there is harami pattern, bullish harami, bearish harami. Definitely will also deep dive into that. If there is downtrend, and after this downtrend, there is red candle, and next a small candle formation like a pregnant woman, a small in between this red candle, green candle appears. That is bullish run. And just opposite that will be bearish around. So that we will also deep dive in details. Then there is a piercing pattern. Just opposite of a piercing, there will be dark cloud cover. And of course, this morning star, evening star, this is three candlestick pattern. So all we will discuss in detail under four parameter. First will be criteria for formation of such candles. Then we'll see thought process behind such formation. And based on this information, we will have our trading setup. And of course, we will have our risk management. And under that, we will have a stop loss. And if trade goes in our favor, then we will continue our journey. And of course, we will have wonderful profit. So this will discuss one by one from tomorrow onward. Of course, Marabuju will be first. Before going further, there are some assumptions which must be taken out of for any further discussion that we will see. 3 points. First is buy strength and sell weakness. Whenever we see some strength in particular script for market, then we should buy for long. And when there is weakness is witnessed in that momentum, we should sell. That is why it is a buy strength and sell weakness. Of course, how we will know now this buy strength is coming? Of course, this will be by candlesticks. Of course, to make it more in our favor, we will use in further session some indicators and patterns that will enforce our trade in favor. Second is be flexible with patterns, quantify and verify. As earlier said, there are so many forces acting in a stock market, and those forces have their own pulls and pushes that creates different dynamics. And we should be flexible with our pattern setup. If trade is not going our favor, we must exit. As long as trade is in our favor, we will continue. So we have to quantify how the pattern is, what is the strength, and how much possibility to go upside. And definitely we'll verify all this, and then only we'll take trade. How we will do all these things, definitely we will going to see in further sessions. The last point is look for prior trend. As we have discussed in the beginning itself, we see 4 or 5 days market is downtrend, and then particular formation is happening, and from there reversal is happening. So it is important to see prior trend, how is trend, and from there how new pattern is emerging and new direction is possible, new momentum is possible. So it is necessary to see this. So this is from today, just introduction to candlestick, different type of candlesticks and main assumptions behind those candlesticks. Further deep diving. From tomorrow onwards, we will see one by one all those candlesticks. Of course, we'll start with Marubozu candlesticks. Till then, thank you. If you find some value in discussion in this video, please do share with your friends and colleagues and subscribe to this channel so that you can get a notification instantly and you can watch those videos. Thank you.